In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can farm dust fast for upgrading your artifacts here in Sailor Peace. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you need to do is actually go ahead and reach level 2500. It is going to be a little bit of a grind, but once you do hit that level, what you need to do is go up to any of the teleporters to access the world map and go ahead and teleport to the snow island specifically. Once you get on that snow island, head towards the igloo area, walk past a couple of trees, and talk to the artifacts NPC to unlock the artifact system. It's going to cost about 500,000 cash and 500 gems to activate, so just keep that in mind. After you unlock it, you can start farming artifacts from mobs, mini bosses, and bosses across the map. By far one of the best farming locations, and you can access this through the teleporter as well, is Shinjuku Island, which is a very nice island. A super strong strategy for this area is going to be the Quake Fruit, and then what you could do is reset your stats and invest them mostly into power so that you can clean groups of enemies quickly. This will allow you to wipe out mobs extremely fast. This is going to also help you collect artifacts much more efficiently. As soon as you've gathered a good amount of artifacts, head back to the artifacts NPC, open up the artifact collection, and use the delete option on any artifacts you don't need. When you use delete, they'll turn into dust, which of course you can use to upgrade your best artifacts. Dust is going to give you huge boosts to defense, damage, and other stats, making your character a lot stronger. But to farm even faster, what I'd recommend doing is server hopping as much as possible just by leaving the current game you're in and jumping in a new one to make it easier to get bonus rewards. You could also consider joining the games group as well. But that is it. It's a little bit of a grind, but it's worth it, believe me. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.